2 men were killed when a Bang Fai rocket went off course and smashed into their car during a traditional fireworks demonstration near Nong Khai in northeastern Thailand. Revelers had gathered to view the competitive fireworks demonstration. Nearby, 2 men were parking their car before festivities began. Police said a Bang Fai rocket was negligently set up without the necessary guidance system, causing it to go wildly off target when fired. The rocket hit the car, instantly engulfing it in flames, killing 41-year-old Sangiam Sonithrat. Anuwat Pinthuwong, 47, was pulled from the burning car but died en route to hospital. The event was cancelled and police are investigating the cause of the accident.